Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be showing you how to use the heater controls on a year 2003 BMW E46, but this applies to all E46s in general that have this particular heater control. Okay guys, so obviously we're going to turn the car on. I'm just going to put it in the second position, okay? Turn that fan down. Now, let's go through it. Now, turning the fan, one sets it to go on. Okay, so one click up sets your air conditioner to turn on, or your heater, whatever. Okay, all the way down turns it off, right? You can click it again, it turns it on, but you get the gist. Okay, so pressing up, this adjusts your fan speed, guys. Okay, pressing it down makes it less. So let's turn it on. Over here we have air conditioner button. Okay, this is your air conditioner button. When this is green, that means it's on. When it's not green, it means it's off. Over here is your front demister. What will happen is you will press this and this will go all the way up. You can adjust it and turn it down, okay, but it automatically goes all the way up to defog the window. Okay guys, this is your rear demister button, guys. Okay, press that to activate it. It will turn orange. Turn it off, turn it on, turn it off. Okay, over here allows you to recirculate your air, automatic recirculation, I think that is, and other recirculation. Over here is your automatic button. Okay, this sets it to go automatic, so it'll just, you know, distribute air throughout the car evenly, through the footwells, through the, you know, front, the bottom, everything like that. Okay, I normally like to select these. So what are these? This one here is to make it go, the air flows up, right? This one to make the air go straight forward at you, at your torso, guys. Okay, you press them off again to deactivate them. Green is on, nothing is off. Okay, down here we have your legs. This goes down at your legs at the front, okay, because this one here, that goes down the back, mostly goes down the back. There's vents underneath your seats which put air up for your passengers at the back. Okay guys, and this here is your heat. Okay guys, this is your heat. You adjust the heat like that. You can set different temperatures like that, guys. Okay, and then finally we have one more button, and that is over here. Up is hot, down is cold. I like to leave it right in the middle. Sometimes it depends on if I want it to be colder or hotter. Usually if I'm making it colder, I'll just pull it all the way down and make it cold. Okay, it's a weird thing the BMW likes to do. I don't know why, it doesn't make any sense to me, you know, but whatever, that's how it is. But that is how you use your heater control buttons, guys. Okay, and then, you know, switch it on, switch it off. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video. Alright, peace out.